What's up, guys? Flying Falcon here. Today we are playing Phantom Forces. So I've been doing like opposite stuff than Phantom Forces. I'm like, hey, let's play the game that I started off with, like, because this is the first game I play on this channel. So we just started around. So let me. So as always, like, subscribe, check out my old channel. Um, it's not really any. It's pretty loud. I'm not sure if you can. Sorry. I had new content. What am I saying? Basically, I got a leather wristplate. I named it leather wristplate because the last word was leather. Ah, you assassinated me with your big machete. Apparently I lost connection. I just died and I lost connection. It wasn't on footage, but I died a whole lot. Okay, so we're back in another server. Let's see if it works. Okay, we're in this one. Oh, he died. Nothing wrong today. So I'm just gonna say, make sure you check out my other channel. Oh god, make sure you check out the Genuine Cow. Okay, so make sure you check out the Genuine Cow. He's a good friend of mine. Check him out, and yeah, let's get into the video. But so guy, a cleaver. Is that like a machete? I call machetes machete. Bendy Gamer. Why would you name yourself after Ink Demon? There's a complete difference. I hit someone. They're not there. They are. Oh my god! Ah! Well, that was total panic. I died. I was panicking. War machine. Sorry, what's the head? Hmm. Hmm. Over there. Out. But ladders are hard to get out. Oh god. He's a sniper with a shotgun. That's no copyright to Cheesecake Savage, who's also a good friend of mine. Make sure you check him out. Cheesecake Savage made a video called Sniper with the Shotgun. So sniper with the shotgun. That was who knew he was right there? Anyone knew? Well, I'll see you up in the treehouse, or either back in the lobby because I may be dead again. So I've had 3 attempts trying to get up there. What? Well, I've had 3 attempts, now 4, and they've got that fortified, so I can't get around there so easily. Let's put this back. Let's run into victory! But we are on 333 points, and they're on 501. Oh, this is stressing. Killed you. Someone else is there. Ah, how could you not see him? You are blind. I was looking out. You guys should have seen him. Who's over there? A big fat swimming pool. There's water. I thought I thought that was a guy not on my team. But the guns are very loud. Sounding like earwigs. Got the high. Yeah. This is our bathtub. We live. Someone else is here. Someone's invading our bathtub. Hey, no, the bathtub. Save the bathtub. This is our bathtub. We must avenge the bathtub. Bathtub. This video is sponsored by Bathtub. It's the biggest bathtub you can get. Bath. He sniped me with a shotgun. And then he was a kill. To my friend over there who killed him. I'm going to this window. The snipe and snipe. I didn't get a kill. Bam. 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 He is the guy behind me with the sniper with the shotgun. Car jumping. Tank. Tank jumping. Flying falcon killing. Sniping with the shotgun. Let's see. There's Cheesecake Savage's video. Let's look at some images. Um, that's not. That's a full-on sniper, not a shotgun sniper. But anyway, back into the action. Well, that ended remarkably. I just waited for the guns to stop. That was really terrifying. Maybe snap. Ah, no. Really? I know. It's where SME. Oh, and misery. We lost. We lost. We really, really lost. Oh, did we? I'm gonna hack my way into it. Wait. Access denied. Crap! Ah! Aha, you did it. I have a late spawn. Basically, when I click it, it won't let. Ah! It won't get me, and then yeah. So yeah. So I'm blue. Gotta get orange and turn it into blue. Yeah, ghosts. Or ghosts are orange. I think we're phantoms. Right? Yeah, we're phantoms. We are the phantoms. We push the forces of the ghosts. The phantoms. We are the phantoms. We combine the forces. We are the phantom force. Yeah, we're the force of the phantoms. Okay. We are the phantom force. I just died while singing the song. I can survive volcanoes, thunderstorms, and I can survive acid rain. Wait, acid rain? No, 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 no! I can survive going in time, 'cause I can change where I want to be. I can survive a grenade. Watch. What? No, grenade's coming at me. Never mind, I can survive this grenade. Watch and learn, little kiddies. Look at this too. I can survive earthquakes, tsunamis, acid rain. I can survive going in different maps. I can survive doing throwing a grenade at myself, and I can survive a nuclear bomb. I can survive. I can survive falling, and I can kill everyone. I died by a skull. I can lift blocks, and I can stare at the people too. I can run. I can hide. Ooh, well, I hope you enjoyed my singing, because there'll be more of it in some other episode, not today, because I need to get back. Run! Well, I died. That's going to be an end for this video. So if you enjoyed, please like, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. And I lost again. This episode's going to be called Losing Spree, or it's going to be called Phantom Force. Oh no, I just decide before I choose. I just decide before I name it. But anyway, subscribe. If you enjoyed the episode, please like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and like already. So I'll see you all in the next episode. Goodbye.